Okay, so my friend Caleb asked us a question. What does it mean when there's a sock on the doorknob? And this is what we answered. What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's being weird with the baby.
We're not child molesters.
Not yet. Die! Die! Die, die, die! Shit. Cindy, you have to look at this shit! It's funny! Cindy! Cindy, get your ass out here! Cindy! What the fuck is Cindy! What is this going here?
Cindy, what are you doing? Cindy, what are you doing?
Take it, pretty. Oh, I didn't know you were in here.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go, and you can do that. Okay, so I hope that answered your question, Caleb. What are you doing? What is with you and the baby?
I just really like this baby.
I don't!
He was cute.
He was ugly. Okay, well, bye!